What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to fully officially start tearing into our parts truck and get a bunch of stuff swapped over. I'm not going to put it onto a trailer just yet, so we won't touch the front, but I think today we should start ripping out the whole back side of the truck. So the spring pack, the lifts, so the spring packs, the shackles, the struts, take out the sway bar, we'll pull the bumper and the trailer hitch bar and just basically gut the whole end of that truck, and then we'll leave it sit, and then we'll take our springs and blown out struts and stuff that we had on this truck and we'll put it back on that and make that back into a roller, get it up on the trailer, and then rip the whole front out. So I'm not going to bore you guys with that, so let's go ahead and get into that. So as you guys can see, absolute carnage. That was a process. A lot of the bolts were just rusted. As you see, we had to cut some of the U-bolts out for that one leaf pack. But we got it out. Everything is tore out. This driveway is just scattered with parts right now. But we got it all out. No real problems, just a couple stuck bolts. So now let's go ahead and take our red truck, back it into the garage, and pretty much do the same thing to the back of that one, and then we'll just flip them. We'll take that leaf pack that unfortunately we went to Spokane and got. We'll take that and we'll put it back on this guy to make this into a roller so we can get it up on the trailer tomorrow to get rid of it. So let's go ahead and back that thing in. Alright, so we're almost done with this portion of it. Thank God. These are a little bit huffer than every single us that we've put in, or every other single one that we've put in so far. I think just because there's more springs. With this kit, since it is thicker, you're going to need longer U-bolts, and unfortunately, like you guys seen earlier, we had to cut 2 of them off the parts truck, but you can just go to Napa and just and just buy another U-bolt. So they're a little long. I took one of the other ones and let's open here. Oh, nice. Kind of hardware too. All right. So I took it with me just to make sure that I took one of the old ones with me just to make sure that this was similar, and that it is. So hopefully we can use these. So let's go ahead and throw these onto the driver's side and finish getting this bolted up so we can get the truck back on the ground, and then we should finally be finished with the rear end. Alright, so there we are. Everything is on for the 3rd time now. Never want to do leaf packs again. The wheels are on. Our calmini leaf packs are in. And our rear shackles are in. And our new U-bolts and everything is tightened up. And it should be good to go. So let's go ahead and set this thing on the ground. Oh yeah, turn that. I'd say she looks a little bit taller in the rear, even more now with all that. So that'll be fun. Let's see if we can get this thing to. Oh no, that's where it's at. Damn. Okay. Well, movement. Last time I did that, I stepped on it and the truck settled a little bit, but that's where it's at now, so that's cool. Okay. Well, up next we got to still do the fronts. We got upper control arms, or how many upper control arms, heavy duty torsion bars, and then we'll get the front raised up and matched, and then after that we have the body kit to put on, or not the body kit, then after that we have the 2-inch body lift to put on, and then should be finally done with suspension, hopefully. I'm tired of doing it, but we're almost there, and then it's trail time. So stay tuned, a lot of more stuff coming through. Sorry this wasn't more of like a walkthrough, but I've done this twice now, so I figured you guys didn't really want to watch it again, but there it is, looking good. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when we tackle the upper control arms. See you in the next one.